NotebookLM just got a game-changing update. You can now upload Word docs directly. No more copy-pasting like a caveman. This is going to save you hours every week. And trust me, this is just the beginning. Today I'm going to show you something that just dropped, and it's going to change how you work with AI forever. NotebookLM just got a massive upgrade that nobody saw coming. You can now upload Word documents directly into the platform. The AI reads them instantly. No more converting files, no more copying and pasting text, no more weird formatting issues. This is huge for anyone who writes reports, essays, or takes meeting notes. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use this to save hours every single week. So here's the deal. Up until now, if you wanted to use NotebookLM with your Word documents, you had to do this annoying dance. You'd open your Word doc, copy all the text, paste it somewhere else, or export it as a PDF first. It was clunky, it was slow, and honestly, it made people not want to use the tool at all. But that just changed. NotebookLM now accepts DOCX files directly. You just drag and drop your Word document right into the platform, and boom, it's ready to go. No formatting issues, no missing sections, no headaches. It just works. And this isn't just about Word files. NotebookLM is turning into this all-in-one research machine. They've added support for Google Sheets, PDFs from your Google Drive, images, handwritten notes, basically every file type you actually use in real life. So now you can throw in your meeting notes from Word, your data tables from Sheets, your research PDFs, and even photos of notes you took by hand, all in one place, all ready for AI to analyze. This is what people have been asking for. A tool that actually fits into how we already work instead of making us change everything to fit the tool. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think. Now, let me tell you about the feature that makes this even more powerful. NotebookLM now has these research modes called Deep Research and Fast Research. This means you can combine your uploaded documents with fresh information from the web. Think about this for a second. You upload your Word doc about a project you're working on, then you tell NotebookLM to do a deep research on the topic. It goes out, finds relevant sources online, pulls them in, and builds you a complete report that combines your original document with everything it found. All the sources are cited, all the information is grounded in real data. You're not just getting AI making stuff up. You're getting actual research done for you. This is insane. Let me give you some prompts you can try right now if you want to test this out. These are prompts that work really well with Word documents, and I'm going to give you way more than just a few. First one, summarize the main ideas of this document in 5 bullet points. This is super simple but incredibly useful. You upload your Word doc and ask for 5 main points. The AI reads through everything and pulls out exactly what matters most. You get the core takeaways without reading the whole thing. Think about how much time you spend reading long documents just to find the important parts. This prompt does that work for you in seconds. No more highlighting, no more taking notes while you read. Just instant summaries that capture everything you need to know. And if you want to master AI tools like NotebookLM and learn how to automate your entire workflow to save hundreds of hours, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I teach exactly how to use tools like NotebookLM to scale your workflow and work smarter. We've got over 100 AI automation strategies that will transform how you work. The link is in the description. Don't sleep on this. All right, back to it. Second prompt. Turn this into a simple checklist or action plan for me. This prompt is perfect for meeting notes or project plans. You've got a Word doc full of discussion and ideas, but what you really need is a list of things to actually do. You paste this prompt and boom, you go from a wall of text to actual steps you can take. This is huge for productivity. Instead of reading through your notes later and trying to figure out what you need to do, the AI does it for you. It finds every action item. It organizes them in order. It makes them clear and easy to follow. You can start working immediately instead of spending time planning. A third one. What are the top 3 things I should remember after reading this? This is great for study materials or long reports. Sometimes you don't need every detail. You just need the big ideas that actually matter. This prompt gives you exactly that. The 3 most important takeaways from any document. It's like having someone read the document for you and then tell you what stuck with them. You can use this for textbooks, research papers, business reports, anything. And if you're studying for a test or preparing for a meeting, these 3 key points are usually enough to get you ready. Here's another good one. Write a friendly summary as if explaining to a friend who missed reading it. This gives you a more casual, easy to understand version. Really helpful if the original document was super formal or technical. Maybe it's full of jargon or written in a boring corporate style. This prompt translates it into normal human language. You end up with something that's actually easy to read and understand. It's perfect for sharing with your team or explaining complicated stuff to someone who doesn't have the background. The AI keeps all the important information but makes it sound natural and conversational. Next one, extract 10 questions I can use as a quiz to test my understanding of this document. If you're a student, this one's for you. You upload your lecture notes or reading assignment, then you get instant study questions based on what's in there. No need to make flashcards yourself. No need to guess what might be on the test. The AI creates questions that cover the main concepts from your document. You can use these to quiz yourself or study with friends, or just check if you actually understood what you read. It's like having a tutor who creates custom practice questions just for you. And here's a powerful one. Combine the key ideas from this Word doc and that Google Sheets file to highlight any contradictions or insights. This is where NotebookLM really shines. It can analyze multiple file types together and find patterns you might miss. Maybe your meeting notes say one thing, but your data shows something different. This prompt catches that. You're basically getting a second set of eyes that can look at different types of information at once. It finds connections between text and numbers. It spots when sources disagree. It pulls out insights that only become clear when you look at everything together. This is the kind of analysis that used to take hours. Now it happens instantly. Try this one too. Give me a short TLDR version, just 150 words max. This is for when you need the absolute essentials and nothing more. Sometimes you just want the quick version. No details, no examples, just the main point. This prompt forces the AI to be super concise and only include what truly matters. It's perfect for when you're busy and just need to know the basics, or when you're deciding if a document is worth reading in full. You get the summary first, then you can decide if you need more. It saves you from reading stuff that turns out to be irrelevant. Now let me give you a few more advanced prompts. Create an outline of this document with main sections and key points under each. This is amazing for long reports or research papers. You get a bird's eye view of the entire structure. You can see how ideas are organized, and you can jump to specific sections without reading everything. Another one. What questions does this document leave unanswered? This is brilliant for research. It helps you identify gaps in your information. You can see what you still need to find out, and it guides your next steps. Here's one for creative work. Rewrite this in a more engaging style while keeping all the facts. Perfect for when you have boring content that needs to be more interesting. The AI keeps the information accurate but makes it way more readable. One more. Compare this document to industry best practices and point out what's missing. This requires you to give the AI some context about your industry, but once you do, it can audit your work against standards and tell you what you should add. One thing to keep in mind. Right now, NotebookLM doesn't support CSV files yet, but that's coming soon. They've said it's at the top of their list for future formats. So if you work with a lot of raw data in CSV format, you'll need to convert it to Google Sheets or Excel for now. But once CSV support drops, this tool is going to be even more powerful for data analysis. Imagine uploading huge data sets and just asking questions in plain English to get insights. That's where this is headed. Here's what I recommend you do right now. Go to NotebookLM and create a new notebook. Upload a Word document you're currently working with. Could be anything. Meeting notes, a report, an essay, whatever. Then try some of those prompts I gave you earlier. See what kind of summaries and insights you get. Then add another file, maybe a PDF or a spreadsheet. Ask NotebookLM to analyze them together. You'll immediately see the value. This isn't one of those tools that takes weeks to learn. You can get value from it in the first 5 minutes. Google hasn't put it behind a paywall yet, so you can test all of this without spending a dime. Just go to notebooklmgoogle.com and start uploading. And if you're serious about staying ahead with AI and want to learn every new tool and automation strategy as soon as it drops, you absolutely need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. We cover tools like NotebookLM in depth, show you exactly how to use them for your specific workflow, and give you templates and prompts that you can copy and paste. Plus, you'll be part of a community of people who are all learning and sharing what works. The link is in the description. This is where the real AI education happens. One last thing before we wrap up. The team behind NotebookLM is moving fast. They're adding new features every few weeks. Word doc support is just the latest. Before this, they added the research modes. Before that, they added support for images and handwritten notes. They're clearly listening to what users want, and they're building a tool that actually solves real problems. So if you start using this now, you're getting in early. You're learning a tool that's only going to get better, and you're building skills that will make you more productive for years to come. That's it for today. Go try NotebookLM with your Word docs, test those prompts, see what it can do for your work, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.